Hi, in this video, I will explain what ISO 23155 is, why it is an important international standard for conference interpreting services, and how it helps organizations, event organizers, and interpreting providers ensure high-quality interpreting during conferences, meetings, and multilingual events. I will also briefly introduce BALTUM and our approach to training, auditing, and conformity assessment. This material will be useful for both newcomers and professionals working in the language services industry. BALTUM is a company specializing in auditing, certification, and training. Our activities are focused on international standards and regulatory requirements. We follow the principles of independence and objectivity, providing professional and impartial assessment services to organizations operating in various industries. BALTUM conducts audits and assessments in accordance with international standards. We support organizations during certification projects and readiness activities. Training and professional development are important parts of our work, helping professionals understand and implement international requirements in practice. BALTUM works with a wide range of international standards related to quality management, language services, information security, and professional service delivery. These include ISO 23155, ISO 18841, ISO 17100, ISO 9001, and many other internationally recognized frameworks. My name is Kyrylo, and I am the instructor for this course. I work with management system standards and participate in audits, assessments, and training projects. My experience includes helping organizations understand and implement international standards. In this course, I will explain ISO 23155 from a practical and structured perspective. Organizations implement ISO 23155 to ensure consistent and professional conference interpreting services. The standard helps establish clear requirements for planning, delivering, and evaluating interpreting services. It also increases client confidence and reduces risks associated with communication failures during multilingual events. ISO 23155 is often misunderstood. It is not a certification program for individual interpreters, nor is it simply a language proficiency assessment. It is also not a collection of documents created for compliance purposes. Instead, it provides requirements for delivering high-quality conference interpreting services in a structured and consistent manner. ISO 23155 can be applied to a wide variety of multilingual events, including international conferences, governmental meetings, business forums, academic events, and industry conferences. Any organization that relies on professional conference interpreting can benefit from the standard. Assessments against ISO 23155 focus on how conference interpreting services are planned, managed, and delivered. Organizations may use the standard to evaluate service quality, improve operational processes, and demonstrate their commitment to internationally recognized best practices. At BALTUM, we offer structured training on ISO 23155. The course explains the logic of the standard, key service delivery requirements, and practical approaches to implementing conference interpreting service processes. The material is presented in a practical and easy-to-follow format. This course is designed for conference organizers, language service providers, project managers, quality managers, interpreters, and anyone interested in understanding international requirements for conference interpreting services. ISO 23155 is an international standard that specifies requirements and recommendations for conference interpreting services. It helps organizations establish consistent service quality and provides guidance for all parties involved in multilingual communication events. The primary purpose of ISO 23155 is to improve the quality and effectiveness of conference interpreting services. The standard supports clear communication, service consistency, customer satisfaction, and professional delivery across different event types and environments. ISO 23155 covers key aspects of conference interpreting services, including preparation activities, resource management, technical support, service delivery, communication between stakeholders, and continual improvement of service quality. ISO 23155 is based on several important principles, including professionalism, interpreter competence, adequate preparation, effective communication between stakeholders, and ongoing improvement of service delivery processes. The full ISO 23155 course is available online and allows participants to learn at their own pace. The program covers the requirements of the standard, conference interpreting processes, service quality considerations, stakeholder responsibilities, and best practices for multilingual events. Participants receive access to structured learning materials, practical examples, implementation guidance, and additional resources. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you better understand what ISO 23155 is and how it supports the delivery of high-quality conference interpreting services. If you are interested in training, auditing, or professional support related to international standards, you can contact us through our website or by email. Our contact address is info@baltum.io. See you in the next materials.